Hi, this is Norse. Today it's Monday, the 16th of October. This is my weekly watch list. Today I have 3 pairs on my watch list. So today I'm gonna beat a dead horse and talk more about the dollar yen. I'm still short on this currency pair. I shorted the NFP candle itself. So this candle right here, that's 10 days ago. So the 6th of October, that was the NFP. And right now, price have moved to the downside. I was looking to sell more. Let's go down to the 1 hour. I was looking to sell this line right here, 112.84. As you can see, price stopped just a few pips shy of my initial entry. So I was not able to add to my position right there, so I had to wait for price to make a lower low. And now I have started the trend algo, so the EA that I use for trend following trades. So I have a few positions short right now. I mentioned in the last video that 111.47 was my overall take profit. That take profit is now removed, because I think, at least in my eyes, that the fundamentals are lining up for a bigger trade on the dollar yen. So I am looking to build or try to build a monster just in case we have a significant move to the downside, so I can have a very, very nice end of year trade. Or the last quarter of the year, that would be amazing to have a very green last quarter of the year. I had a very good summer in July and August on gold and NZDJPY. So I want, or it would be awesome, is if dollar yen would provide the same type of result. One thing I experienced on Friday, this EMA 50 touch right here. So I was sitting at my desk with my manual trading account, and I have the robotic account. The EA, he went short right here, and I was sitting by my desk. I had the order already typed in, so the stop loss and everything. I tried to sell and I kept getting off quote. So the market was suspended. I was not able to get in at the best possible price, but the EA was. So that was frustrating, but it is what it is. So I think it's 6 or 7 trades short right now on the dollar yen. And if the dollar yen now goes screaming to the upside, then I will lose a significant portion of my open P&L. But I'm willing to risk that just in case the dollar yen really takes a nosedive to the downside. Second pair on my list, it's the euro versus the pound, because we saw a very significant move on the GBP end of week last week. I was short on GBP JPY. I managed to close and bank profits, but I was not able to reverse my position and go long, and that trade just went screaming. So right now I'm looking to sell every retracement in this pair. So I have the EA active for a startup position right now. So I'm looking to sell the yellow line right here and basically target as much downside as I can, because this pair, when it starts to trend, it trends for a few weeks and the moves they're pretty smooth. So let's see what happens with that one. Same with Euro AUD. I'm bearish on this pair as well. So I'm looking to sell retracement and start to build a position short on this pair. I'm seeing that the AUD itself is starting to pick up some momentum. So, and that's a good thing. So let's see what happens with this pair. I had a order set for Euro AUD last week, and it missed my entry with just 10 pips. It was not a good experience, so we can go over that trade right now. So this was my setup, a 4.3 to 1 risk versus reward. I had the order set for 152.50, and here's what happened. Price came 10 pips from my entry point and then just imploded on itself. Seeing this was actually worse than taking a loss, because my personality is I would rather be in a trade wishing I was out instead of being out of a trade wishing I was in. So if that made sense, because missing trades, it hurts even more than taking a loss, and that's just me and the way I'm wired. But I also mentioned last week on the Euro JPY, because I was bearish on dollar yen and I was looking towards Euro JPY to add to my bullish yen position. Price printed this setup like a market with a yellow line right here. So this, we had a bear flag a few weeks ago. So we had a confirmed trend line, and then we had a parallel projection that was confirmed. And when price came up into this, I went short and I used the previous low as my target. And it filled this morning, I believe. Yeah, it filled this morning. So right now I'm neutral on the euro yen. So I'm looking for potential setups on this as well if it sets up. But just like last week, if dollar yen and euro yen prints the same bearish setup at the same time, I cannot take both. But if euro yen and dollar yen prints bearish setups on different times of the day, and one of my positions is a break even, then I get a green light to go short and hold both of them. Same goes for Euro GBP and Euro AUD. We can also look on the pound yen, because this move we had right here, I had a short from 149, and then we went all the way down here, and I closed when I saw that this was not going to last. So I managed to squeeze out just, was it 110, 20 pips. So I left a lot of profits on the table, but I'm glad I closed. So right now I'm waiting for confirmation for either up or down on this currency pair before I start to do anything. So right now I'm just neutral. I'm waiting. I have GBP, JPY on my watch list, but I don't have any orders or any plans for it. I'm just waiting for the market to make its move, and then I will take action when it does. So that's a summary of this analysis. So I'm bearish on dollar yen, euro AUD, euro GBP, and I have Euro JPY on my watch list with the GBP JPY. And close off, this was the chart I showed you guys last week. The commercials last week, they added even more to their trade. So this is the reason why I have this extreme view, if you can call it that, on the JPY. Last week, I liked this hammer, and we are starting to see some upside from this hammer. And it's in line with the commercial hedgers. So I like the idea of being short or being long the yen. So shorting dollar yen, euro yen, GBP, JPY, if all of them sets up. So that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, smash the like button, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.